Rain on a metal roof. Some people really love this sound. It can be very relaxing. I have another bedtime story for you. I'm in the North Woods myself right now in the Adirondacks. And this book was made in the North Woods of Minnesota. And it's a little spin on Goodnight Moon. But this one is Goodnight Loon. On the Great Lake pontoon, there was a Duluth pack and a hungry raccoon. And crop art of the blue ox jumping over the loon. And there were 3 fat walleyes eating rhubarb pies. And 2 yellow canoes and a pair of snowshoes. And little deer ticks and snacks on sticks. Here they are. And a rod and fish and a tater tot dish. And a tired old voyager who was whispering, shush. Good night, pontoon. Good night, loon. Good night, ox jumping over the loon. Good night, walleyes. Good night, pies. Good night, lamp and the hungry raccoon. Good night, canoes. Good night, snowshoes. Good night, spruce. And good night, moose. Good night, sticks. Good night, ticks. Good night, rod. Good night, fish. Good night, Bemidji. Good night, hot dish. And good night to the old voyager, whispering, shush. Good night, lakes. Good night, air. Good night, Northwoods, everywhere. Sleep well.